Forward with Aditya. Aditya, before we talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, I wanted to do a status check or the chart check regarding broader market indices as well.
Very good noon, Ajay and good noon to everyone. I think markets are rebounding pretty strongly, so that's a pretty good sign. And they are rebounding from a very important level. On Nifty, we tested important support level of 22,000. So that will act as important support for the market. We didn't have bearish bias until Nifty breaks 22,000 again. And on mid cap, small cap, I think the idea is theme specific. Like today, sugar names are bouncing back pretty handsomely. So I think that themes really stand out because internationally also agri commodities and all these commodities are doing pretty well. So sugar internationally has risen quite handsomely in last few days. So I'm bullish on that sugar. And if you talk about metals also, so metals is also doing well. So I would like to be little theme specific when it comes to small cap and mid cap. And if we talk about index level, then again, I think there's not much action since last few days. It's been range bound, but we can see fresh momentum if Nifty small cap index breaks the resistance on the higher edge, which comes at 16,700. So once 16,700 is taken out on Nifty small cap index, I think we can see a momentum rally over there. But I'm also a little skeptical on the market given the recent fall in S&P 500 and all the fancy names, FANG names, and Nvidia falling over there. So this is creating little jitter. So my idea is to be little theme specific. And if I talk about themes, then I'm bullish on agri commodities, I'm bullish on sugar, I'm bullish on metals.
Commodities and metals clearly make sense, and especially after two back-to-back, as in two countries, the world's largest economies, showing very good economic data, China and the Q1 GDP in US. And now, as Anisha was telling you, the second batch of the quarterly GDP in US is due. So watch out for metals in particular. I want to do a chart check with you. Or before that, why don't you talk about your specific trading ideas?
Sure. So in this volatile environment, dynamic environment, we are seeing a lot of volatility and gap ups and gap downs. I would like to go with little defense names also. First one on my pick is Lupin. So Lupin could be bought at 1600. 1520 would be the stop loss, and 1720 would be the target. And second, as Anisha said, the cool champ of today, Voltas, which is showing handsome rally today. That could be bought at 1370. 1300 would be the stop loss, and 1450 to 1490 would be the target. So it's a relief, in an environment which is pretty hot these days, temperature wise also, and in stock market also, we are seeing a lot of volatility.
Point taken, but what do you make of the drop on Persistent? Would you be a buyer? And the other one is Metropolis, which is clearly reacting to that Morgan Stanley indication. What's the view on these two names, Metropolis as well as Persistent?
As I said, we saw almost 10% cut on Nvidia in on Friday in USA, and also FANG stocks are performing. Apple also went a little down, so that sentimental overhang is there in India as well, and we have seen Nifty IT underperform. So I think chartically also there's little weakness in selling over there. So I wouldn't be an aggressive bull in Persistent as of now, and we have seen a very good rally in Persistence in last few quarters. Now probably the mid reversion trade is playing out over here. Although stock is trading at important support of 3550, that's an important support, but I think there are a lot of other themes which can do well. So I wouldn't be an aggressive bull Persistent at these levels.
Okay, understandably so. The stock has run up quite a bit actually at a time when rest of the IT peers were languishing. The company was reporting good growth, and this time around as well, the growth hasn't been bad. It's 3.5% sequential growth, but it's only the performance. Aditya, we let you go on that note. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us.